In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to sound like Osamason. Now, I already did a video on this. I'm just reposting it because I think the preset is honestly that good and that accurate, especially the ad-lib preset. I have 3 ad-lib presets here. So first, I'm gonna show you the song with no preset on, and then after, I'm gonna show you the song with the preset on to show you the difference.
Red kill, know how that feel. Slump, know how that feel. Know how to feel. I pop an exit, got me stuck. Then I hop outside that truck. I got Molly, we like what? Red kill, know how that feel. Slump, know how that feel. Know how to feel. I pop an exit, got me stuck. Then I hop outside that truck. I got Molly, we like what? Run like chest out to the box. Grab up on the way. Slump, we gon' be alright. We gon' be okay. Hit my line, think I die. Hit my line on these your nails done. Got you every time. If I said it, I meant it. Won't think about lying. I been lying to myself. If I said I wasn't fuck with you, bands on the shelf. Could get you killed. Red kill, know how that feel. Slump, know how that feel. Know how to feel.
Yeah, that's the Osamason preset. There's 3 included. I think these are extremely accurate. The main is, it's cool. The main's cool, and we got the beat ad-libs. But yeah, these 3 presets, if you want them, it's gonna be linked in the description of this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, sub, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.